Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials, so create a virtual environment and pip install the driver you need. Scicop2 for Postgres or Pyodk for SQL Server. Once done, export your DB host, DB port, DB name, DB user, DB pass as environment variables so you do not hardcode secrets. Next, verify network access. Ping the host or use telnet to the port. After that, open a minimal Python REPL and attempt a one-line connect call to confirm credentials and reachability. You now construct the connection string and choose an API, SQL Alchemy if you want ORM convenience or the native driver for raw speed. Make a parameterized connection string and wrap calls in context managers so resources close automatically. Once connected, create a cursor or session, prepare parameterized queries to prevent injection, and perform fetch-own or fetch-all as needed. After data changes, commit explicitly. If an exception occurs, roll back immediately. This pattern keeps transactions predictable, and pooling improves throughput for many users. You finish by ensuring all cursors and connections are closed, use with statements or finally block so nothing leaks. Then integrate the connection into your app config and enable connection pooling with sensible timeouts to handle spikes. Add structured error handling, catch specific DB exceptions, log error codes, and return clean messages. If something goes wrong, the one key troubleshooting tip is to enable driver-level logging and inspect the exact error code and network trace. This reveals auth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.